Are you a freelancer, trainer, or knowledge professional providing services online or offline? Managing GST, bookkeeping, and income tax can take up your valuable time. FN Advisory brings you the Consultant and Coach Compliance Kit, a complete solution and handle-free registration, returns, bookkeeping, and tax planning. Instead of buying each services individually, get the full kit and save time, effort, and your cost. This kit designed for consultants, trainers, coaches, freelancers who wants to stay fully compliant and focus on their core work. It includes end-to-end GST registration, return filings, bookkeeping, ITR filings, tax advisory, and optional MSME registration. Number first, GST registration for services. Start providing services legally with the GSTIN. Our team handles GST registration based on your services, category, and state. Filing via GST portal with ARN tracking. Official follow-ups if required. Login credentials delivery and onboarding support. Plan India coverage. Now, second point, GST return including reconciliation. Stay fully compliant with timely GST filings. Include monthly or quarterly GSTR1 and GSTR3B filing based on your turnover. Input tax credit tracking and reporting. Remainder support for your due dates. Annual GST summary report. Even NIL, that means nil returns, are handled professionally to avoid penalties. Now, the third point is bookkeeping. Keep your financials record and organize your data and audit ready. Includes monthly tracking of sales, purchase, expenses, receipt, expense login. CA reviewed data for accuracy. Records prepared for ITR filing and GST audit. Now, the fourth point is income tax return. File your income tax return with complete accuracy. Our services include ITR 3 and ITR 4 based on your income profile, banking statement, and invoice-based reconciliation. Matching with Form 26AS. Digital filing with CA review and signature. Now, the fifth point is tax planning advisory. Optimize your taxes and plan investment effectively. That includes one-on-one consultation with a chartered accountant, review of deduction under Section 80C, 10, 14, and 10D, customized investment guidance, salary structuring advice if applicable, plan your taxes smartly and save legally. Optional MSME registration, that is Udyam. Unlock government benefits, loans, and tenders registering your consultancy under Udyam. That includes online MSME form filing, category-based eligibility guidance, digital certificate delivery, access to future business benefits. Now, why to choose this kit? So, if buying all these services separately can be time-consuming and obviously expensive, but with this consulting and coach compliance kit, it brings everything together. That means GST, bookkeeping, ITR, tax planning, and MSME registration in one streamlined package handled by our experts. Why to choose FN Advisory? With FN Advisory, you get expert chartered accountant familiar with services-based businesses, transparent end-to-end compliance support, timely reminders for GST and ITR deadlines, personalized guidance to maximize tax efficiency. This kit is ideal for freelancers, trainers, and coaches, knowledge professionals providing online/offline services, service providing meaning accurate GST, bookkeeping, and ITR filing for hassle-free tax compliance support and planning support. Stay compliant, organized, and tax smart with the consultant and coach compliance kit from FN Advisory. Focus on your expertise while we handle all GST, bookkeeping and tax compliance professional. Call us at 9191 9392 9390. Visit www.finadvisory.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.